Hey guys, this is Kirsten out here at Terry Henricks Chrysler. We just got in a 2021 Tesla Model S, and I just wanted to give you guys a brief view of the Tesla, show you guys that it is here on the lot, ready for you guys to come and see it. And it's a perfect day because the sun is just beaming off of this beautiful blue. Dual motor. And even better, the interior is absolutely gorgeous. Just wanted to let you guys know it's here and ready for you guys to come and see it. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to stop in or call us here. This is Kirsten at Terry Henricks Chrysler. Thanks.